Hi Panthers! As we embark on this year, I want to show you a really great tool to help increase literacy skills in your students from Avid. So to start off, you're going to sign into my.avid.org. I created a login for you using your school email address. So go ahead to my.avid.org and log in. So the resource that I want to show you is called AVIDWeekly. This is a weekly articles published by Avid where they get the rights to all sorts of articles from different content areas. My science, my math, history people, even world languages, there's articles for you. So if you look right on the main screen, it's called Attention Avid Weekly Subscribers. We subscribe to Avid Weekly. So you're going to click on My E-Learning over on the right-hand side to access this resource. And you're going to scroll down to where it says Avid Weekly and click on that. So what I really like about this resource is not only do they give you a whole bunch of articles, they also give you lesson plans. So they'll pair articles with different WICORT strategies that you guys are familiar with. Four corners, philosophical chairs, Socratic seminars, and they'll almost launch you through different ways that you could incorporate these articles into your lessons. They also have different teacher resources and assessment tools as well, keeping in mind that we are focusing on the writing, the inquiry, the collaboration, organization, reading, student-centered, and technology as always. So to start finding articles, these do update every week, hence the name Avid Weekly. Click on Articles and Lessons. And then if you scroll down, click again on Articles and Lessons. If you click on the name of the month, September, here we go, you'll see not only the names of the articles, you'll also see the content area, the level of difficulty for the reading. If you're familiar with the different Lexile levels of your students, this will help you kind of select one that is most geared towards where they're at and can push them ahead. You can get different PDFs to different WICORT strategies that you could use, whether it's marking the text, charting the text, writing in the margins. You can see different images as well to help some of your visual learners. Videos to go along with articles. All sorts of things. You can see they'll pair two together, a pro and a con for different topics for arguments, good for philosophical chairs. Then if you keep scrolling down, you can see ones that have lesson plans attached to them. These do update every month, so make sure that you are checking back. I think these are great to use, especially if our kids are coming underprepared for Sit for Lit, or if you're trying to just embed some more reading into your content classes. Enjoy!